Yeah, I think it's pretty natural. I think people don't realize how much people are engaging the muscles in their face all the time. Like if you dropped all the muscles in your face, you just look sad. It's actually something that I do when I do horror. I just kind of like drop my face and my bangs move forward, and then it's pretty easy. But every time before we started to take, Tim liked when I looked through my eyebrows, so I would rest my face, look through the eyebrows, and then we would start. So it was like clean slate every time.
So I think that the more that I get to work on jobs that are creatively fulfilling and make me feel good, I'm happy to keep doing it.
I actually started acting because my mom filmed one of the monologues once, because I just started hysterically crying at my brother's baseball game. And then she filmed it, and she put it on Facebook and said, "Oh, look, she's such a drama queen," or something to that effect. And one of my mom's old high school friends was best friends or was married to or something related to a casting director. So she sent it to the casting director and said, "Hey, what do you think about this girl?" And then she set me up with a meeting with my first agency.
Because sometimes you start crying.
Yeah, totally.
Romanian winter, there was all this wind in my face. I learned to blink on other people's lines.
What do you think has been the key to navigating childhood stardom for you, to go from that to where you are now as a young adult? How do you, keep it together? What was the key?
Well, I'm very fortunate because I know everyone kind of says this, but my family is truly the best, and they sacrifice so much for me to be where I am. And that's kind of, I think, why I'm motivated or determined to do so well or do so, whatever. Because of them, I always lived a bit of a double life. I still went to public school, I still played soccer, I still did dishes when I went home. There was no special treatment, and I wasn't immersed enough in Hollywood or that kind of lifestyle that I think that it's kind of helped my transition or balance. It's a little weird now once you're older and you are fully immersed, but still I always have people back home that I know I can talk to and trust and love, and I think I'm very lucky in that way where a lot of child actors aren't. The job is just listening, so I think, depending on, just watching other people, and sometimes they do it differently, sometimes you react differently, sometimes you feel a certain way that wasn't the same that you felt 20 minutes ago. I feel like it's all just very spontaneous, see what happens.
So wait, how do you keep that deadpan face while you're going through all this?
Yeah, it was something that Tim and I established very early on. She doesn't blink. He likes it when I tilt my chin down and look through my eyebrows, kind of a Kubrick stare, and then I relax all of the muscles in my face. So I go,
Oh my gosh.
and then you just move your eyebrows, and that's pretty much all your reaction.
When I didn't get a job because my parents didn't force me in the industry, it wasn't a scary thing, it was a fun thing. And that's what storytelling should be.